Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roblox while launching a game. You got a white screen when opening the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to open up settings menu. From the left pane, click on the option system. Now click on the option display over here. Now scroll down and click on the option graphics. Now click on change default graphics settings and you will find the option of optimization for Windows game. Go ahead and toggle it on. After doing so, try to relaunch your Roblox and the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, in second step, click on start menu, type cmd and choose the option run as administrator. Now type here a command cd space percentage localappdata percentage and then hit the enter key. Now type here rmdir space /s space Roblox and then hit the enter key. Now type in y and hit the enter key again. This will go ahead and uninstall the Roblox right from the system. And once it is uninstalled, close the CMD, open up your web browser and download the Roblox latest version from the official website. And once it is downloaded, use this launcher only to install the Roblox and try to relaunch the game to fix out the white screen. Although, if this also failed, lastly you can do is to try the Microsoft version by opening the store and type in Roblox. Find the Roblox, select the game and hit the option install, and hopefully the issue of white screen will be fixed after using the Windows version of the Roblox. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.